friends, and welcome back to the Learning Tree. I am joining you today, and it is a new month, so it's not May anymore. So we're not talking about exploring our community. This month, I wanted to talk about some fun summer things, because although it's not really summer yet, it's really the unofficial start of summer after Memorial Day. So one of my favorite themes to talk about in the summer is the ocean and the beach. And so this week I wanted to share with you a book about things that you can find in the ocean, and it is called Fish, Swish, Splash, Dash, and it is by Suze McDonald. Follow the leader and count with me the fish that live beneath the sea. 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4, 5 fish, 6 fish, 7 fish more, 8 fish, 9 fish, here comes 10. Follow the leader and do it again. This is my favorite part of the book. And you go, whoop. 10 fish, 9 fish, 8 fish splash, 7 fish, 6 fish, 5 fish dash, 4 fish, 3 fish. Now there are 2. 1 fish left. You know what to do. Follow the fish, and then you can start it all over again if you want. You can start again with 1 fish. So this book could be never ending. You could go on and on and on. I just think that book is so cute. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that silly story about counting fish, and I hope you'll join me back later in the week, because Ivy and I are going to have a fun ocean-themed activity for you guys. See you soon. Bye.